Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can stake VeChain on Trust Wallet. Now you cannot stake VeChain in Trust Wallet. I don't know why. Yes, you can stake some crypto in Trust Wallet, but VeChain is not the one which you can stake right now. In the future, they might add it, but right now you cannot. So the only way to stake VeChain if you have it on your Trust Wallet is to transfer it to a platform where it allows VeChain to be staked. So what I mean is, let's say you had some VeChain, but if you don't see your VeChain token over here, you can click on this icon at the top right. Once you're over here, click on search and write VET. The short form of VeChain is VET, and just turn it on. Once you turn it on, you can go back and you will see VeChain over here. They can click on VeChain and click on send this VeChain to a place. So I would suggest you to send it to Binance because Binance allows staking of VeChain. Open a Binance account, or if you already have Binance, open Binance and copy the address of VeChain and paste the address of VeChain over here and enter the amount of VeChain you want to send and click on next. Once you do that, your VeChain will be sent to Binance, and from Binance you can start staking your VeChain. Now I gave an example of Binance, but you can use any platform you want. If you know of any other platform except Binance which allows staking of VeChain, do that, because you cannot stake VeChain from inside Trust Wallet. Alright, so you have to transfer it outside to a platform which allows that. I hope you understand how you guys can stake VeChain on Trust Wallet or from Trust Wallet. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time.